So here is a Colorado red light traffic camera. We're gonna see if we could get a Xmaxx to be able to get a red light traffic ticket through this intersection. So let's go ahead and set it up, see if it works out. All right, first we gotta make it street legal. So we're gonna go ahead and take my license plate and we're gonna put them on my Xmaxx. Now we just gotta get the back all street legal and then we can go play out in the street. What up?
Hi, bro. I got the Revo 2.0 and the Xmaxx.
All right, on. Yeah, this is the Xmaxx. I'm trying to get a red light ticket with it for my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What's on YouTube?
My name on YouTube?
Yeah.
It's Zagert, Z-A-G-E-R-T.
All right, I'll look you up, bro.
Right on. You guys take it easy. All right, the back plate's all put on. It's all legal. Look, it's even up to date, all current. You know I cut my tags so nobody could steal them. In the streets, super legal. It didn't take a picture. The heck? More pizza's down with it. Oh, red light. That guy's running it. Oh, it flashed him. What the hell? Are you kidding me? It's not flashing me. I am not getting any tickets, that's for sure. Let me try putting a light on the front license plate and maybe that'll help. Oh! I'm sorry! Oh, I'm sorry. It was an RC car. I'm sorry. Ah, it's trapped. It's a little RC car, sorry. You might have to drive when I hold on to it. It's stuck. I'm sorry. Maybe try reverse. Maybe try reverse. A little bit back. The camera is stuck. Oh, the camera's not there. Oh. I'm sorry. Is it okay? Is your car okay? Do you want my information?
You have your license?
My license?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's over in my car. Here, I got a camera. I need to get my camera.
Okay, so ya llegó 5 minutos. 5 minutos.
Oh. Let me go grab my license. That didn't work out at all. Huh?
How did this happen?
I'm sorry, I was trying to drive my RC through the intersection and I didn't go straight. I'm sorry, it lost control. It's good? Or,
Yeah,
you got my license?
I think so.
I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Sean?
Sean?
Yeah, Sean Short's on my license.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Oh man. She didn't even get what happened. Holy crap. My GoPro is destroyed. I gotta make sure this is turned off. That was bad. That was bad. On a scale of 1 to bad, that was really bad. For how bad things go, for me, that was bad. That was really, really, really bad. Guys, did I mention that was bad? All right, guys, we're back in the shop. I want to start off by saying I feel like a freaking idiot right now. I feel so bad for hitting that lady's car. Do not play in the streets, kids, and do not attempt what I do at home. Please. So that being said, I gave that lady all my information. She has my address, phone number, license, all that. She has all my information just in case there's any damage to her car or anything like that. I didn't see any damage. So hopefully it's okay because I feel really bad. I'll do a follow-up video if I hear anything about this later on. So the damage to my truck is actually pretty minimal. Somehow the back wheel came off. You can see the bearings are still all intact and everything. It just literally just ripped out of the hub somehow. I don't know if the hub's cracked or what, but we'll probably have to just replace that. Front bumper, a couple other small broken parts. The main damage was the GoPro on top. You can see my indestructible case is destructed very well, and it completely destroyed my GoPro. Luckily, I got a GoPro subscription and they replace 2 cameras a year. They didn't have any GoPro Hero 8s in stock to replace mine, so they're sending a GoPro Hero 9 for free to replace it. So we'll have a newer GoPro on this channel here soon. Unfortunately, in the accident, when my GoPro got destroyed, it cracked the SD card that was inside, so I was not able to retrieve the footage on the onboard camera. So unfortunately, this video is not gonna have the footage of the Xmaxx running into the back of the car. Hopefully the cops don't find out about this because I was riding dirty, guys. I didn't have my Xmaxx license. I didn't have car insurance. I was using different plates from my other vehicle, fictitious plates. But don't worry, I got a hold of American Family Insurance and I got Xmaxx insurance for next time. Oh yeah, we're all set for next time. American Family Insurance is gonna have us covered. Just nobody tell the police, okay? Oh, crap. I forgot we got a cop in the shop. What do you think about it, Armacentin? Uh-oh. They're not too happy. I'm sure the Armacentin will eventually forgive me. So that's about everything that happened. Colorado just recently replaced the red light traffic cameras with newer ones. So I think they fixed it so you can't mess around with the lights with shopping carts or RCs or stuff like that. There are some older red light traffic cameras up north still. So I still want to try and do this. I still want to get my Xmaxx to get a red light ticket because If it gets a picture of my Xmaxx with the license plates on it, then I'll get the ticket sent to my house. Of course, I gotta pay a fine for the ticket, but then I'll have a sweet picture of my Xmaxx running a red light. Or any RC car. I got a few RC cars I want to try it with. So, if you're a new watcher, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you click this bell so you don't miss me playing out in the streets like I always do, like a freaking idiot. Thanks for watching.